Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start now by cutting power and closing the gas valve, safety first. Once power is off, move the dryer forward enough to access the back and side. You measure and mark the side panel location aligned to the drum exhaust. This ensures airflow and prevents rubbing. Make sure you have the LG side vent kit, a 4 rigid duct, and sheet metal screws. Gather a drill, hole saw size to the kit, and safety goggles before you cut. This is the only way to side vent properly. You cut the side panel with the correct hole saw, taking care to deburr sharp edges. This prevents future tears in the duct. Once the hole is clean, fit the LG flange from inside the cabinet and fasten using the supplied screws and gasket so the seal is snug and centered. This prevents leaks and lint buildup. Then, connect a 4 rigid duct from that flange to the dryer's rear exhaust, keeping the run as straight as possible. Make sure each joint gets a clamp and foil tape for a permanent seal. You now reassemble the side panel and slide the dryer back in place, restoring power and gas if applicable. Once done, run a short heat cycle, and holding your hand near the exterior hood confirms strong, steady airflow. This proves the duct is sealed and sized correctly. Make sure the exterior hood opens fully and that the run has minimal bends. If you detect weak flow, shut off power and check for kinks, a misaligned flange, or lint buildup at joints. Clear and reseal as needed to fix the issue.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.